When you start learning options trading, one of the first things you'll hear about is the Greeks. They might sound complicated, but they're actually just risk measures that help traders understand how their options behave. Let's break them down in simple terms. The first one is delta. Delta tells you how much the option price will change if the underlying stock moves by $1. If a call option has a delta of 0.5, that means if the stock goes up by $1, the option price goes up by about 50 cents. Think of delta as the option sensitivity to stock price. The second one is gamma. Gamma tells you how much the delta itself will change if the stock moves. If your option has high gamma, your delta can swing around quickly. Traders pay attention to gamma because it tells them how stable or unstable their position is. The third is Vega. Vega measures how much the option price changes if volatility changes. If an option has Vega of 100, then if implied volatility goes up by 1%, the option price rises by about $100. Vega tells you whether you are long or short volatility risk. The fourth is Theta. Theta measures time decay. Options lose value as time passes because the chance of a big move decreases. If an option has Theta of -5, it means the option loses about $5 per day, just from the passage of time. And the last one is Rho. Rho measures sensitivity to interest rates. It's less important for short-term options, but it can matter for longer-dated options or in high-interest rate environments. To recap, delta is about price moves. Gamma is about how delta changes. Vega is about volatility. Theta is about time decay. Rho is about interest rates. These 5 risk measures are called the Greeks because they're represented by Greek letters. Together, they give traders a quick picture of how their options will behave as the market changes. If you're just getting started, don't worry about memorizing formulas. Focus on the intuition. Delta is direction, Vega is volatility, Theta is time decay, and Gamma tells you how much risk changes when the stock moves. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly trading explanations.